Today, you all listened to a read aloud of the book titled The World's Family. And for your assignment, you guys are going to be celebrating the things about you and celebrating differences. So, everyone is different in lots of ways. People can be different. Maybe their families look different. Maybe some people have a mom and a dad, or maybe some people live with their grandparents or their aunt or their uncle. Or maybe your family dynamic looks different than other people's. So, your family is one way that you can be different from other people. Your clothing, maybe what you like to wear or what you wear as a part of your culture and your traditions, maybe that's different than what other people wear. Maybe you have different traditions or hobbies, things that you like to celebrate or do in your free time. Maybe that's different than some other people's and traditions and hobbies and what they like to do and celebrate. Maybe the language that you speak is different. Maybe you speak English. Maybe you speak a different language. Maybe you know multiple languages. And so today what we're going to do for our assignment is celebrate our differences. So on a piece of paper with a pencil or a marker, crayon, whatever you have, I would like you to draw a big rectangle and split it into 4 sections. And I want you to draw me a picture or write me a sentence in this box about your family. Show me your family. Tell me who's in your family. Be proud of that. Be proud of the people that you have in your life. So show me a picture or write a sentence about your family and show me the clothing that you like to wear. You can show me a picture or a sentence about the traditions that you have, the things maybe that you celebrate or do every year, or hobbies, maybe things that you'd like to do in your free time. And then you can tell me a little bit about the languages that you know. Maybe it's English or another language. Maybe it's multiple languages. If you guys would like to change the headings of these boxes to something else, you are welcome to do that. But today we are celebrating things about us and celebrating what makes us unique and different. And we are going to draw that and write that on a piece of paper and then upload a picture of our work.